Hello everyone, today's tutorial is about how to make circular text in Photoshop. To get started, firstly we need to make a circle shape. To make the circle shape exactly at the center of the canvas, you need to set up two guides crossing each other at the center. So drag the vertical ruler onto the middle and the horizontal ruler as well. Then make a circle shape using the ellipse tool. Activate the ellipse tool and start making a circle shape by clicking at the very center. Then while you're holding your mouse click, press and hold Alt-Shift keys on your keyboard at the same time so that the circle will be perfectly center aligned, like so. Then we are going to make the circular text, so activate the type tool. Head over your cursor onto the edge of the circle shape, either inward or outward, until you see the cursor icon changes to a wavy icon. In this demonstration, I'm going to make the text slice on the outer edge of the circle. Click on it. Then you might want to set the text color, the font style, and other text settings. Then start typing on it. When you keep typing your text, you can see that the text line follows the outer edge of the shape to form a circular text, like so. To adjust the text position, activate the path selection tool and drag this little node. If you drag it inward, the text will also move inward. You can also drag the text directly to rotate its position. Alright. If you want to add another text, activate the type tool, select the ellipse layer, head over your cursor onto the outer edge of the circle, click on it, and type your text. Then, if you want to reverse the direction of this text line, activate the path selection tool, drag the text inward, select the text by double-clicking its layer icon, then go to Window, Character. At the Characters dialog box that opens, reduce the set baseline shift amount until you get the text position move outward. Next, if you want to adjust the spacing between letters, select the text by double-clicking its layer icon, press and hold your Alt key while pressing either right or left arrow button. If you are done, click the check mark. Let's do the same things for the other text. And another important trick is that if you want to move the text rightward, double-click the text layer icon, click the text just before the first letter, or in case your cursor goes to the last letter when you click on it, like this, press your left arrow key several times until it goes exactly before the first letter. And then press and hold your Alt key while pressing the right arrow key to move the text rightward. Again, if you want to adjust the text baseline, select the text, open the Characters dialog box, and adjust the value. Let's move the upper text rightward. Select the text, place the cursor before its first letter, press and hold the Alt key while pressing the right arrow key. That's all how to make circular text in Photoshop. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know in the comment section below. And as always, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button for more future uploads, and thanks for watching this video.